Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at the ascending and descending triangles. Here we've got 4 examples of the same kind of patterns. You've got falling wedge, which can be found both in an uptrend and a downtrend, and a rising wedge, which can also be found in a downtrend and an uptrend. These can be used as both continuation and reversal patterns. You can see in a continuation pattern, the market moves higher, we enter a period of consolidation, and you can see that the highs are lower, but the lows are losing momentum. Whilst this is a downtrend, you can see that the lows aren't taking out the lows as much as the highs are making lower highs. And then we see this market break higher. And likewise with the rising wedge. How do you actually trade these? You can see I've got 2 lines here. Both of these are potential target options. You can look to take the projection from the height of the wedge and from the breakout point. You can look to target here. Likewise, you can also target the whole uptrend and then project that higher and target up here. Like any continuation pattern, you'll be looking for the break of the counter trend line. In a reversal, it's quite similar, but you see a market trending down and it's making lower highs and lower lows. The lower highs as normal, but the lower lows are struggling. So they are just about taking out the lows, but every time that they take out the lows, it bounces again. This shows a slowing of momentum. And a similar entry to the falling wedge, we'd look to get into the trade from the break of this trend line. We'll look to project the height of the wedge out of the breakout. The same is for the rising wedge as well. You can see that the highs are struggling to take out the preceding high, and then we see this market break this low and trend lower. Let's have a quick look at the markets and try and find some examples. Got one here in cable. You can see the market's trending lower. We're then seeing highs just about taking out the highs. You can see the lows are a little bit more impulsive and moving higher. We then see this break and we start to see this trend lower. If we were to project this from here, the target would be hit down here. Right, here you can see an example of a falling wedge. We've got the highs here, so it's making lower highs and lower lows. Every time it takes out the low, it kind of bounces. It takes out this low, bounces, takes out this low, and then we see this market break and move higher. Right guys, that's it for the rising wedge and the falling wedge. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next time.